Today we are at Macao Beach. This is like breathtaking, beautiful beach, and it's just like on Macao we have a Dreams hotel right now. And in addition to it, there are a lot of areas that you just can go free of charge and enjoy your time at those kind of areas. As you see, it's just like we have waves, you know, like everything in life goes with the waves, so we have a lot of waves here in Macao Beach. Over there you will see a lot of people are taking surfing classes. This place has very good beach vibes. Watch this video to the end. Make sure you pay attention to this video because we will have a lot of unique information, and in the end of this video you are going to have a great surprise.
Something
Private vacation in the Dominican Republic, check our website everythingpuntacana.com and you will find a lot of beautiful, breathtaking villas in private properties, private apartments, condos, amazing penthouses, and everything whatever you wish you can have in the Dominican Republic. We can organize everything from limo to a helicopter ride. So this is how you can have your unique private vacation. Just contact us or just call us at our cell phone. So we're gonna be happy to help you and assist you with your private vacation calendar where we can organize everything for you. All right, subscribe to this channel at everythingpuntacana.com. Thumbs up, guys. Ring the bell, and of course I hope to see you soon in the Dominican Republic. I hope to see you soon in Punta Cana. All right, time to go. I'm going to the I'm going to the beach. Back never.